everyone, welcome to Digital Mind. Are you looking out on how to create a business manager account on Facebook and how to set it up? Then this video is for you. Today in this video we will see how to create a business manager in Facebook and how to manage the pages through our business manager and how to manage the advertisement and people who work on the pages which you own in this business manager account. So let's see how to do it. So first off, you need to go to business.facebook.com. So here, if you have a new account, you don't see anything here. You need to create a business by clicking this button and your business account name. For instance, I'm giving DigMind my name and my mail ID. Right. So then the country here, if you select India, then you'll be applicable with the any countries for that matter. You will be applicable with local tax laws. So if you don't, but make sure you don't give US to avoid GST. In India, GST is applicable. If you give United States and then use Indian credit card, then it could be a problem. And street address, okay, 12/30 good street, yes, this thing as well. And town and city, postal code, okay. Website, I'm leaving this part blank because I don't want to give my website here. And promote its own goods or service. If you want to work for your client, if you have a set of customers that you want to work for them, you need to click this provide service to other business. Or if you want to promote your own company and your own product, you can click this promote its own goods and services. So I'm giving this provide services to other business. Okay, done. I'll give my company's website. Done. And I'll be I've got a mail by now. Okay, so I got a mail and that's not shown on the screen. I got a mail and I have confirmed that. So need to verify mail address, though I have verified it. Yes, I have verified my business. Okay, legal name of business is Digital Mind. Okay, these are all fine. Tax ID, if you want to give your tax ID, you can give your tax ID here. Click save. Right. And business verification status, this you need to verify this because it's helpful. You need to verify with two-factor authentication, right? And also your business should be verified, so that helps in that helps in Facebook to better understand your pages and your business, right? So the basic setup is done. So what we'll do is in this section you can see users. Here you can see people over here. So before you can make any person an admin, you need to add them here by um, by, by clicking add. You need to enter the mail ID, right? Example at gmail.com, right? And what access you want to give them. If you want to give them the admin access, you can give them the admin access, and admin will have the same access as you, right? And these are finance analyst, finance editor. If at all you want to give this, and click next, right? And here you can select the page you want them to manage and click invite. So now I'm going to tell you how to add a page over here. So this business manager is newly created and doesn't have any pages to manage. So I'm clicking add a page. So basically, add a page is a page which you own, which is in which you're already an admin. For example, a customer might have added you as friend and then made you an admin. So in that case, you can click this add a page and request a page. If suppose you don't own a page, or you are not an admin of any pages, and you want a request, you want a request to a page to manage that, you can click this. For example, you have a customer and you don't want that customer to be your friend in Facebook, right? And maybe it's a big company, it's a corporate company, and you can't, you can actually have friends. You can't actually add friend with the business manager or the digital manager there in the big corporate. So in such case, you can request access to page. This is create a new page. So basically, I'm going to add a page which I own. So here I need to give a Facebook URL. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give my own page, facebook.com/karthik91. Okay, I think I better take it from here. facebook.com/ right. So I'm giving my own page. It'll come like this. You need to like this, you need to select that add a page. So I have connected my page, Facebook page and Instagram here. So I'm clicking add all. So this will prompt an email. This will prompt this will prompt in the notification tab of Facebook whether to grant access to this business manager account or not, right? So continue as Karthik Chandru here. Yes, that's my Instagram profile. So once you click add page, your page comes over here. So from here you need to click this and add people, right? And I'm selecting my own name and I'm giving my access, manage jobs, view earning insights, everything. So when you create this manage page, all these things are automatically selected. So manage page, this is an admin access, so you can give assign. It's done. So basically, if you want to add anyone else from your company, you can add them to people over here, add people, and then select the concerned person over here. So next up is ad accounts. I have an ad account here. So to create a new to add or create a new ad account, click here add, and if you already manage an ad account, click add an ad account, and you can add this same like how we added the page request access to an ad account. This is sending request to another ad account which you don't own or which you don't manage. To create a new ad account, click this create a new ad account, and ad account name, let's keep digmind1. So this is the time zone, Indian rupees. As I told you earlier, the same applies here. If you want to if you think that you want to get away from GST or the local tax laws and use another country, and then use the card in the country which you're residing now, then it could be a problem. So make sure you use the same country and the same currency as as you are now. So this will be used for my business. Yes, this ad account will be used for your business. Or if you select another business or client, you need to add them in the partner over here. Users, there is a partner, you need to add that, and or you can use and connect using the existing business ID. So what I'm going to do is my business, because this really doesn't make a big difference. So I'm using my business over here and clicking create. So here then again this will list out the users which you have already added over here. So I'll click my own name over here and click manage ad account, and automatically everything is clicked. I'll give assign. So yes, my ad account is assigned, right? So next is the main thing is Instagram account. My business page is already connected to the business to the Instagram account. If it is not connected, if it's not linked to business, if it's not linked to uh, Instagram, then you open your Instagram and then link your Instagram with Facebook, and come to Instagram accounts, click add, and connect your Instagram account over here. So since it's already connected, I'm not doing that. If you want any clarifications on that, please please do leave a comment on the comment box. So next is WhatsApp account. So you can add a WhatsApp account for the page you have added. I would suggest it's better to add a WhatsApp in your page and not in this business setting, because if you're an agency and you will be maintaining multiple businesses, so you don't actually have to add it over here, but instead you can add it on the business page. So next is the payment. So click add payment method. So here billing country, Indian rupee, and name on the card number, expiry, then continue. It's like how you do an online purchase. It's simple. You need to give a credit card. A debit card doesn't work over here, so cancel. I'm not going to do that anyway. So yep, so this is how you create and set up a business manager in Facebook, and link your payment, add users add users to manage the pages, add a page, connect to Instagram, and add payment method, pages, everything. So this is how you do it. If you want any clarification, please do leave a comment on the comment box. And if this video really helped you, please like, comment, do share, and hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet, and click the bell icon to get notified on my future videos. Thank you.